Assalamu alaikum. I'm Ruqayya Tariq and I'm going to teach you chapter 10 gaseous exchange. This is lecture 4. Previously we have discussed gaseous exchange in humans. Now we will discuss mechanism of breathing. There are two steps of breathing, that is inhalation and exhalation. So first we will discuss inhalation in detail. During the process, rib muscles contract and ribs are raised, and due to which diaphragm contracts and lower. Thoracic area increase due to contraction of rib muscles and diaphragm, and the pressure on lungs decreases. So lungs expand and air rushes into lungs. So this is inhalation. These are all steps in inhalation. These are very easy steps, you can easily learn. You can see in figure 10.5 steps of inhalation. Air moves in, ribs are raised and diaphragm moves down. Next step is exhalation. Impure air is expelled. During exhalation, rib muscles relax and ribs back to original position. Diaphragm muscles relax. This is the opposite of inhalation. During inhalation, diaphragm muscles were contract, and now in exhalation, diaphragm muscles relax. Space reduces in chest cavity and pressure increase on lungs. Lungs contract and air is expelled. So you can say that this is the totally opposite of inhalation. You can see in figure 10.6 these are steps of exhalation. Air moves out, ribs are lowered, diaphragm moves up, and the pressure increase. Humans breathe 16 to 20 times per minute at rest. So rate of breathing is controlled by respiratory system in center in brain, and when we exercise, muscle cells carry cellular respiration. Recall cellular respiration, that was carbon hydrogen bonds are broken down by oxidation reduction reactions and transform into ATP, right? So when we exercise, muscle cells carry cellular respiration at greater rate, due to which the amount of carbon dioxide in blood increases. Actually, respiratory center in brain is very sensitive of carbon dioxide level. So when carbon dioxide level increase in blood, it stimulates respiratory system in brain, and then respiratory center send message to rib muscles and diaphragm. Then rate of breathing increase to remove extra amount of carbon dioxide from body or blood. You can see in table 10.1, this is comparison between inspired and expired air. These are all feature. Amount of oxygen is 21% in inhaled air or inspired air, and 16% in expired air. Amount of carbon dioxide is 0.04% and 4% in expired air. Amount of nitrogen will be same in both. Amount of water vapors depends actually in inspired air. It is variable, while expired air is saturated, means that consists of a lot of water vapors. Amount of dust particles also are variable in inspired air, depends on the environmental condition, but in expired air there is almost none of the dust particles. Temperature is also variable in inspired air, depends on the environment, and but in expired air the temperature is equal to body temperature, that is 37 degrees Celsius. So this was the lecture for today. I hope you can understand easily. So inshallah we will discuss further in our next lecture. For today, Allah Hafiz.